Deva Bratt is back again, just releasing a onslaught of music, and it look like he not stop no time soon. Yeah, man. So Deva Bratt there again with another one, Return of the Brat, the one named Karaoke War. Check it out and see dog a deal with. You see me and say, like me say, Deva Bratt now ease up and we there feet. You see me? Let's get it.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy.
Yeah, man, gang, Deva Bratt there. You see me? Back at it. The one named Return of the Brat. You see me? Karaoke War. We there feet. Deva now ease up. Deva say tune for days and days for tune. And that's him a deal with. You see me? I say, so I check it out and see him a deal with. The one named Return of the Brat. I'm sure the one is about. But I check it out and see dog a deal with. You see me? I say, gang, we now will be vibe much longer. Let's get it. I deal with. Now we'll pass a sample, yeah? Alright.
That boy they are freaking out, I know. Him suck y'all toe from Tokyo. You know I know so bad man story go. Down to the 𝐑𝐄𝐂 now I got the flow. Nuclear never knew it from the start. Until gunshot tear his leg apart. Him the one fi power again. Until you show him you're not a friend. Teacher, you lied to me. All those times when you supposed to me go dig up shoes. You lied to me. Shotty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. You lied to me. You wouldn't do the same thing Vybz do for you. You lied to me. You're a freaky guy. You're more of a fly. Return of
Whoa,
the
whoa, 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 whoa. Here. I want to be just here. Teacher, you lied to me. Shouting at teacher, you gonna cry. You're freaking. Holy crap. No. See, you see, we don't know where I get from Deva Bratt. That's why we gotta. We never know where you're gonna get from this man in the dark. That's what I'm telling you. Yo, we gotta keep the reactions, cause the man are gonna drop these songs at random time, and we now go. No, sir. No, sir. How are the blows at? Deva, you know no manners, you know. Go on.
we go. Down to the 𝐑𝐄𝐂 now I got the flow. Nuclear never knew it from the start. Until gunshot tear his leg apart. Him the one fi power again. Until you show him you're not a friend. Teacher, you lied to me. All those times when you supposed to me go dig up shoes. You lied to me.
Yo, go on.
You go fuck and you cry. She never deny. You lied to me. You wouldn't do the same thing Vybz do for you. You lied to me. You're a freaky guy. You're more of a fly. Return of the Brat. Return of the Brat. Return of the Brat. You know.
And say, Shawty, go fuck and you cry. She never deny.
Return of the Brat. Return of the Brat. Return of the Brat. You know. Back in the game and I put out songs again. I'm trending up the ranks again. Shatta Wally love it when he make the people know. Looks like he proposed at the show. Even though you know that he was wrong. Well,
Wait, what?
you know. Back in the game and I put out songs again. I'm trending up the ranks again. Shatta Wally love it when he make the people know. Looks like he proposed at the show.
Shatta Wally, I love you, and it make the people know I can propose at this. Damn, man, Shatta Wally had this, dog.
Even though you know that he was wrong, well you never say get above your knees, young man. People are listen carefully. Sing along if you know the song. Teacher, you lied to me. I thought you said you don't eat
When Shadaga jail, we no empty no ship jail, we no need to jail, Shadaga jail.
What you do? You lied to me about the things you said you'd never do. You lied to me. Fundraise freaking to me if you wonder what them do to you. Return of the bread. Return of the bread.
Return of the brat. The man and I know man. Hey, I love it. Come in.
You know. Return of the bread. Return of the bread.
What a time to be alive, eh? Come in.
Return of the bread. You know. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them pit me, I wonder if them are dead.
The man was a shalam. Shalam. Shit in a plate. Come down now. Come down. Come in.
Return of the bread. Return of the bread. You know. Return of the bread. Return of the bread. Return of the bread. You know. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them pit me, I wonder if them are dead. Them face well big like it is a frog. Foot on no eye pump Sean, you know see him a job. Big transmission, you no give him a flap.
Man, the foot on I don't try to see my jog. Big transmission.
For 13 years, him go sleep on a slab. Come out with him pants a sack. I must have fuck. Deva Bratt is back in full effect. Full court press, put crap in a neck. Disrespect me, no take me, pick up and take and select. Aim to the target, defect it again. Deva with the psycho waves, Ryko wave. Them know me head hotter than a microwave. I'm gonna rifle wave. We know you are coward, so no go along like your brave. You lie.
We don't know the Kartel make artist. Never make you go on. Never make you go on. So he if you be go on, no, I love it. Go on.
All those times when you supposed to me go dig up shoes, you lied to me. Shawty go fuck and you cry, she never deny. You lied to me. You wouldn't do the same thing Vybz do for you. You lied to me. You're a freaky guy, you're my rough eye. Return of the bread. Return of the bread. Return of the bread. You know. Return of the bread.
Turn of the brat, you know, man. Careful. Careful. Hey.
Return of the bread.
Crucial conflict, you know, man.
Return of the bread. You know.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Big up Deva. Big up Deva, no joke, brother. That bad. Me not lie, that bad. You see me? That man entertaining. It's funny, it's lyrical. You see me? Yeah, a little bit of truth and lies to it. You see me? I say, big up to Deva. You see me? Big up to Deva. Cause Deva show say, yo. You see me? This my show say this track's not to be like them well orchestrated beat and da 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 da. As long as it's entertaining. You see me? I say, the creative. You see me? I say, it got style. You see me? And the entertaining audience. That's all matters, you know. DJ, you lie to me. You lie. You're a freaky guy. Try to go cry. She never did die. Big up yourself, Deva Bratt. I don't know, dog. Yo, Deva Bratt. You're one of the bodies for sure. You see me? I say, gang. I know one thing about the one them, man. Me didn't expect the one. You see the one that catch me off guard, gang? The one that catch me off guard. Me almost speechless. You know? I almost not nothing to say the whole video. I catch myself. I say, wait, I didn't expect this. I mean, the one name Return of the Brat. It even sound like a Kartel this. I don't know this. This is crazy. Whatever, big up your damn self. That was mad entertaining, man. You see me? I enjoyed that. Keep it coming, Deva. With their feet. You see me I say? Even if they don't answer, it's still bad. You see me? You know they don't answer, it's still bad. So just drop the bad tune them. People are gonna listen to the bad tune them. You see me I say? And we there, we don't know say Kartel are artists and thing. If you do answer way, which you know, any artist can answer any artist. You see me I say? So if you choose to answer way, never give him a wicked fight or rate. I don't say if you got skills, you know. You see me, a music we say now in the love man, you know. You see me? Yeah man, even though we have artists things, but yeah man. Never big up your damn self, youth. That was mad entertaining. I didn't expect that. That caught me off guard. You see? Yeah man, big up yourself, Deva Bratt. Gang, me know thing below in the comment section if you like it. Definitely show the artists some of sport. You don't know. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.